I'm a hot little possum. Right now I'm driving through the Las Vegas Mojave Desert, and as always, dang, it is hot out here. Oh, that's more like it. So I'm on my way to someplace colder. The tallest mountain in Las Vegas, Mount Charleston, where it's a whopping -6 degrees. I'm gonna be spending a full night alone on that mountain with nothing but a sleeping bag, some blueberries, and the Now That's What I Call Music 25th Anniversary Volume 1 CD. I don't know. And the reason why I'm doing this is, what? Oh, don't worry. It's on autopilot. Whoa. Well, we're here. It's chilly. By the way, that car scene was fake, okay? I wasn't actually in a moving car. That was an editing trick. It was all fake. Don't demonetize me, YouTube, okay? I gotta get a shirt. I'm gonna have to survive the entire night inside my car, which is gonna be hard because it's supposed to get down to -6 degrees tonight. Fahrenheit. Celsius, that would be, carry the 1, 16 by 3. I don't know. But the kicker is, I'm gonna have to do this thing 100% alone. That's important. Alone. And why am I doing this? Every single video I've made, I haven't done it alone. And it got me thinking, am I nothing without my friends? So no matter what happens, I'm not calling Dane for backup. I'm not calling Melvin for survival tips. I'm not calling Regina for moral support. And I'm not calling Daniela to update my will. I don't know. I want to be 100% alone. I don't need nobody else. I can prove to myself and the world I can succeed alone. Okay, I can't do nothing right. I can make YouTube videos by myself. In fact, I don't even need to show anybody's pictures in this video besides me. So that previous scene editor, you better not have used the pictures of Regina and Daniela and Melvin and Dane, okay? You better not have. Did you? Hello, I'm talking to you.
Wait, what?
Did you use their pictures? I want this to be a totally Daniel video, nobody else.
I used their pictures, yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, bro, take them out.
No!
Take them out, bro.
No!
Okay, you asked for it. Come here, you little rat. Okay. Oh, you slap, little bill. Let's get down to business. The sun just went behind those mountains, so it's gonna get real dark real fast. So we gotta set up shelter for the night. Let me show you the shelter at hand. Okay, yeah, you've seen it already. It's my car. As I was setting up my car for it for the night, little did I know when the sun set, things were about to get creepy. Check it out. Yeah, this feels like home. Got my little boba boy. Got my little boba girl. I actually stole that from Regina a while back. I'll give it back one day. If I survive the night, that is. Look, I can change the color of these lights if I want to. Oh, that's so cool. It's a little scary because I saw a lot of signs coming up here. You know, there's wild donkeys up here, horses, deer, mountain lions, coyotes, bicycles. I mean, look, I've already seen my first sign of dung. Don't know what creature that belongs to. Also, over here, I might be crazy, but tell me what this looks like to you. Might be a little graphic, but look at that, and that, and that. I mean, that looks like... Is that? Blood. Honestly, that's a little freaky. So, all I have are these blueberries. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm freezing. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is a good idea. Once the sun goes down, that's when the wildlife comes out to play. That's when the mountain lions come out. That's when the bobcats come out, the coyotes, Bigfoot. I don't know. Who knows what weird things exist in these parts of town. Oh my gosh. Like, it literally feels like it dropped 20 degrees in the past 10 minutes. But I can do this. I can do this. The adventure is about to begin. Oh. Hard as a rock. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's getting so cold. The sun's almost down. I gotta hurry. Ta-da! Yeah, so I made a little snowman with the last few seconds of daylight I had. But maybe that was a bad idea. Psh, this guy thinks he can survive in a mountain. Oh my God, you're not gonna survive up there, Daniel. So Daniel, you need some help up there, boy?
You sure you don't want me to be in your video for the 27th time?
I can do this alone. I can make a video all by myself. It's time to go crazy here. The sun is like almost down. It's getting colder and colder by the second. Whew. Okay. Oh my God, guys, I just heard something in the mountains. I'm not even joking, I got goosebumps. And I saw like figures running. That was insane. Oh my God, I got goosebumps. I hope I don't see those again, whatever they were. Or if I do, I'll get them on camera. Oh my God. Oh, what is that? They're there. Do you see those? What was that? I gotta get batteries ready. That was insane. It was like a whole herd of something. Well, while we still have these few moments of sunlight left, just wanna say if anything happens to me this night, I love you all. Even though I'm totally alone out here. Gosh, I keep looking behind me. Even though I'm totally alone, I'm gonna remember that I have you guys. So I'm not actually alone. You guys mean so much to me. The scary journey is about to begin, so if you could leave a like, that'd be amazing. And subscribe too. It really helps support the channel. Oh my gosh, something's right over there. Holy crap. All right, let's see what that is. My hands are freezing. Dude, it's coming right towards me. Oh my gosh. Oh crap. It's coming towards me. Oh my gosh. Hi. It's a horse. Hi, how are you? Oh my goodness, guys. Hi, horse. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's right outside my window. Oh my gosh. Look at it's breathing. It's breathing on my windshield. Do I open the window? This is insane. Hi, horsey. How are you? Are you nice? Oh! He's putting his head inside his mouth. Oh no! You just give me the side eye. All right. Ew, bro! I just got this thing washed. Can horses eat blueberries? All right, here's some blueberries. Oh, no. If there's horses out here, I mean, literally, the sun just went down. It's not even down yet. You can still kind of see the sunlight. But right when the sun went down, the horses came out. So what else is gonna be coming out? It's only 5:26. It's not that late. Like, what kind of animals come out at midnight or 3 a.m.? That was scary. Random scary creatures in the dark. Hope that's not a sign of things to come.
Spoiler alert, it was.
Ah, shucks. Look at this. Ain't this just a life? I'd say this is pretty fun if it wasn't for the treacherous cold. Oh my gosh. Look, 5 degrees with it going down to -10, it says. Do you see that? So I really don't want to use the Tesla, like for the heater. The heater uses the battery, because I'm gonna be stuck up here forever, and then I'll definitely have to call for help. Well, look, I brought this little thing. This is the weirdest instrument that I own, and I own a lot of weird instruments. It's weird. You push a button, and these little like chickens go up.
So I started playing this little ditty, and I had no idea. Something weird was about to come up from behind me. In the middle of this song, you'll see something weird happens. Right over here. Will I survive the night?
Will I receive frostbite?
No, I won't fail. I will prevail.
Independent male.
Okay, I think I'm gonna redo the last take, actually.
Independent male.
Okay, let's see here. Okay. Do you guys see that? Someone's right out, like staring right at me. Oh my gosh, someone's getting out. There's a person getting out of the passenger side. Oh, what the heck? Uh-oh. Look. It's driving away. The car's driving away. What? That car just dropped off somebody. Are they spying on me? Or maybe they're just a normal camper. I hate this. I really do hate this. I'm trying to stay positive, but man, I hate this. Can I really take a whole 24 hours of this? I'm just gonna convince myself that that wasn't weird. And that was just a normal situation. Maybe it was a fellow camper. But why do they park right in front of my car?
Boogie in the nose, boogie in the nose.
Okay, I don't want to stay out here and warm my hands up like this. I'm gonna get attacked. So I have some milk in here. We're gonna warm it up in my...
What did that say, huh?
Yeah.
I have a Stanley. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm one of those Stanley collectors. Just kidding, I'm really not. Okay, I think that's warm.
Now we pour the hot milk. Very good. Oh crap! Oh shh! Get some matcha like that. Very good. A little a little yum yum yum. A little bing bing.
I think I messed up. Oh man, it's getting really cold now. I'm like shaking and I can't tell if it's from nervousness or coldness. Or maybe that milk was expired. You know, like they always say.
The sooner you go to sleep, the sooner Santa Claus will come down the chimney.
And my point of that is, sleeping just passes the time. I'm scared as heck right now. But the sooner I sleep, the sooner I can wake up and this is all over. Freaky!
So the blankets began warming me up, and then next thing I knew, I was dozing off. I started having some dreams about Douglas, who was at McDonald's, and then he turned around and he saw Shrek sitting there. Douglas was in love. Shrek was in love. But they knew it could never work, ogre and dog. So Douglas put a spell on himself to turn him into an ogre. It kind of worked. And then Shrek put a spell onto himself to turn into a French bulldog. And it didn't work at first, but then it did. And just like that, ogre and dog could learn to love. Okay, actually, none of that's true. I just love using AI lately. Anyway, what is true is I did fall asleep, and then suddenly...
Jeez, shut up. Stop. What good is the stop button if it doesn't stop? I can't sleep. I don't want to do this, but it feels so weird to be alone in this car. Every little sound I hear scares me. That friggin' piano now my heart is beating so fast right now. I don't know if that guy that got out of the car earlier is circling the perimeter and staring at me, taking pictures of me. I really could use somebody right now. You know that I could use somebody. No. The whole point of this video is to prove to myself that I ain't need nobody. I can go on adventures on my own and come back in one piece.
But I thought, hey, there's no point in being miserable for 8 hours in the cold dark. It's time to put someone in my video for the 27th time.
Hold on. Can you just like put an emoji over your face and maybe disguise your voice a little bit?
Why?
Just can you do it?
The things I do for you.
I don't want them to know it's you.
What?
Shh. Okay, good. And now just disguise your voice. Okay, I'm trying to stay overnight all alone without the help from any of my friends like I usually do, and I just need someone to keep me company.
Oh, you talking to me?
Yeah, disguise your voice. Maybe you could like sing me a song or like tell me a bedtime story or Okay, whatever, just... Hi, Regina. Listen, I'm sorry. I just really needed a friend.
Oh, Well, what helps me fall asleep is podcasts, because it's like someone's there with me.
Yeah.
So what if I just talk and tell you a story or something so you can fall asleep?
I like that, Reggie.
Okay.
Thank you so much. With friends like these, who needs anemones?
It's enemies. Once upon a time, there was a capybara, and he went to the dentist. And then the dentist was like, "You got cavities, bro. And you gotta fix them cavities and stop chucking on that wood." And so the capybara went to the dragonfly village and caught some dragonflies.
I think the sun's coming up. Yep. The sun is coming up. What do I mean, I think? Yeah, of course.
I think we did it, guys. We survived the night. Wait.
Yeah, I'm in one piece.
Oh my gosh, the sunrise is gonna be incredible. I have to see this.
Okay. I think we have enough battery to get back home. Let's go.
I couldn't believe it. I did it. I survived the night 100% alone. I mean, besides that little FaceTime call. Thanks, Regina. I looked out at the horizon and was so happy I didn't freeze to death overnight. I mean, that would have been embarrassing.